Along with the new foldable smartphones and smartwatches, Samsung also released today the new Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. We already tried them out for you, and here are our first impressions. The core feature of the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro would be having 24-bit support. Thanks to the high audio resolution, the in-ears should offer better sound quality than their predecessors and, of course, also its competition. However, it was difficult to access the sound quality, at least during the short hands-on session in a rather noisy environment. It was easier with a 360-degree audio function, which we are already familiar with from the first Galaxy Buds Pro. Here, the in-ears recognize your head movements and move the sound source virtually in the room against it. However, what left an impression during the hands-on was the ANC, which reliably blocked out ambient noise even in a rather loud location. According to Samsung, the noise reduction is 40% better than the predecessor. The ANC can either be turned off by pressing on an earbud, and it automatically deactivates as soon as you begin a conversation. Otherwise, Samsung has further developed the design of the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. On one hand, the earbuds have become a bit smaller. According to Samsung, it's 15% smaller in size. In addition, the microphones get an improved aerodynamic design, which should reduce wind noise. The Galaxy Buds 2 Pro uses Samsung's seamless codec for data transfer. However, this is only compatible with Samsung devices. If you have a smartphone from another manufacturer, you have to make it without 24-bit audio, because other hi-fi codecs such as LHDC and LDAC are not on board. So you have to be content with the SBC or AAC as with the previous generation. The Galaxy Buds 2 Pro will be sold from August 26, and we share all the prices in the description of this video. If you are firmly rooted with the Samsung ecosystem, you will get an excellent pair of earbuds once again with the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. However, users of other Android smartphones cannot utilize the full range of functions and are better off looking elsewhere. So, this was our Galaxy Buds 2 Pro hands-on. Of course, we still need to spend more time with the device to give you a full opinion on it. But right now, I want to know, what do you think? Leave your opinion in the comments below. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Bye, see you next time.